नमस्कार स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम इन्वर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्री फंक्शन में पार्ट 8 शुरू कर रहे हैं। मैं ठक्कर आशीष एन आपका मेरी चैनल पे हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। तो आप देखिए पार्ट 8।
Exercise 2.3 question number 1. Prove that tan inverse square root of x into x plus y plus z upon yz plus tan inverse square root of y into x plus y plus z upon zx plus tan inverse square root of z into x plus y plus z upon xy is equal to pi. Here put x plus y plus z is equal to r and x into r upon yz. Here x plus y plus z is r. X into r upon yz, square root of xr upon yz into square root of yr upon zx is equal to r into r square. Square root of r square is r. Square root of z square is z. And in numerator x into y, in denominator x into y. So we can write it as r upon z. Now r is x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z upon z. Obviously x plus y plus z is greater than z. That means x plus y plus z upon z greater than 1. And so for first two terms we will use this formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to pi plus tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, because here x into y is greater than 1. तो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना है, जो फर्स्ट टेन इनवर्स प्लस टेन इनवर्स जो फर्स्ट दो है उसके लिए यहाँ पर ये जो दोनों क्वांटिटी है उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया और ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसा आया, ग्रेटर देन 1. सो टेन इनवर्स एक्स प्लस टेन इनवर्स वाई, तो ये दोनों जो है उसके लिए हम ये फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, पाई प्लस टेन इनवर्स एक्स प्लस वाई अपॉन 1 माइनस एक्स वाई. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज tan inverse square root of xr upon yz plus tan inverse yr upon zx plus tan inverse zr upon xy. Now pi plus, आगे जो हमने देखा कि उसके लिए हम क्या लिखेंगे, पाई प्लस, बिकॉज दिस टू क्वांटिटी मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस टू क्वांटिटी इज ग्रेटर देन 1. पाई प्लस टेन इनवर्स स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स आर अपॉन वाई जेड प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ वाई आर अपॉन जेड एक्स अपॉन 1 माइनस मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस टू क्वांटिटी एक्स आर अपॉन वाई जेड into yr upon zx plus tan inverse zr upon xy. Now pi plus tan inverse, यहाँ पर टेकिंग एलसीएम स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ yz into square root of zx and taking out square root of r common, we get square root of r upon z into root x upon root y plus root y upon root x. 1 minus here r by z into square root of xy upon square root of xy. That means 1 minus r by z. Simple form of this term. Plus tan inverse square root of zr upon xy, pi plus tan inverse square root of r by z, here taking LCM, x plus y upon root xy, x plus y upon root xy divided by z minus r upon z plus tan inverse zr upon xy. Now पाई प्लस टेन इनवर्स, यहाँ पर ये जो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ जेड है वो डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा और ये जो जेड है वो न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा. दैट मीन्स जेड अपॉन रूट जेड. सो रूट जेड आएगा यहाँ पर. सो आर जेड इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई डिवाइडेड बाई जेड माइनस आर इंटू root xy plus tan inverse zr upon xy. Now z minus r, but r is x plus y plus z. After cancellation of z we get minus x plus y. Here we get minus x minus y, that means minus into x plus y. And after cancellation of x plus y from numerator and denominator, we get pi plus tan inverse minus square root of rz upon xy. Now we know that tan inverse minus x is minus tan inverse x, and these two quantities are same. That means minus tan inverse this quantity plus tan inverse this quantity, both are same, and so we can write it as pi, which is our right hand side. Question number 2. Solve the following equation for x. 3 into tan inverse 1 upon 2 plus root 3 minus tan inverse 1 upon x is tan inverse 1 by 2. First of all, tan pi by 12. That means tan pi by 3 minus pi by 4. We can write it as tan pi by 3 minus pi by 4 because taking LCM 4 pi minus 3 pi, that means pi by 12. So tan pi by 12 can be written as tan pi by 3 minus pi by 4, which is equal to tan pi by 3 minus tan pi by 4 upon 1 plus tan pi by 3 into tan pi by 4. So root 3 minus 1 upon 1 plus root 3. So we can write root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 because multiply this quantity by conjugate of this 1 plus root 3. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 square upon root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. That means a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 3 minus 1. 2. Now a minus b whole square, that means root 3 square. 3 middle term is 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 2. That means 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. After cancellation of 2 we get 2 minus root 3. यहाँ पर हमने ये जो प्रोसेस की वो ये जो फर्स्ट टर्म है उसके लिए की है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर tan इनवर्स 1 अपॉन 2 प्लस रूट 3 जो है उसको हमें कन्वर्ट करना है. तो यहाँ पर जो फर्स्ट टर्म है 3 tan इनवर्स 1 अपॉन 2 प्लस रूट 3, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे उसके लिए 3 tan इनवर्स 1 अपॉन 2 प्लस रूट 3 is equal to 3 tan inverse 1 upon 2 plus root 3 multiplied by 2 minus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. That means 3 into tan inverse 2 minus root 3 upon a plus b, a minus b. That means a square minus b square, 2 square, 4 minus 3. 3 into tan inverse 2 minus root 3, because here 4 minus 3 is 1. So 3 into tan inverse 2 minus root 3. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो tan पाई बाई 12 की वैल्यू है 2 माइनस रूट 3. सो tan inverse 2 minus root 3 can be written as pi by 12. So we will write it as 3 into pi by 12. That means pi by 4. तो यहाँ पर जो pi by 4 है वो उसको हम tan inverse 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पर जो हमारा क्वेश्चन है उसमें 3 into tan inverse 1 upon 2 plus root 3 can be written as tan inverse 1. So 3 into tan inverse 1 upon 2 plus root 3 is tan inverse 1. That implies tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 1 upon x is tan inverse half. That implies tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse half is tan inverse 1 upon x. That implies tan inverse 1 minus half upon 1 plus 1 into half is tan inverse 1 by x. That implies we can compare these two quantity. 1 minus half is half divided by 1 plus half. That means 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by x. So 1 by 3 is 1 by x. That implies x is equal to 3. Fourth, solve the following simultaneous equations. Sin inverse x minus sin inverse y is equal to pi by 3 and cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to 2 pi by 3. Now sin inverse x minus sin inverse y is equal to pi by 3. That means we can convert it as pi by 2 minus cos inverse x minus pi by 2 minus cos inverse y is equal to pi by 3. Here cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to 2 pi by 3 is equation number 1. We take it as equation number 1. Here pi by 2 minus pi by 2. So after cancellation of pi by 2 we get minus cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to pi by 3. Equation number 2. By equation number 1 and 2, by 1 and 2 we can write 2 cos inverse y, because cos inverse x minus cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse y. 2 cos inverse y is 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 3. That means 3 pi by 3 is equal to pi. That implies cos inverse y is pi by 2. Cos inverse y is pi by 2. That means y is 0. Now by 1, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is pi by 2 is 2 pi by 3 by equation number 1. So cos inverse x is 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 2. Taking LCM, 4 pi minus 3 pi by 6. That means pi by 6. Cos inverse x is equal to pi by 6. That implies x is equal to root 3 by 2. And so our answer is x is equal to root 3 by 2 and y is equal to 0. Question number 5. Find all positive integral solutions of tan inverse x plus cos inverse y upon square root of 1 plus y square is equal to sin inverse 3 upon root 10. Here positive integral solutions, that means x and y are integers, positive integers. Now we know that cos inverse x is tan inverse square root of 1 minus x square upon x. So this term can be written as cos inverse y upon square root of 1 plus y square is, here we replace y upon square root of 1 plus y square by x. So tan inverse square root of 1 minus x square, x is replaced by this quantity, y upon square root of 1 plus y square upon y upon square root of 1 plus y square. Now square root of 1 plus y square and square of it, that means 1 plus y square, here square root of 1 plus y square. Tan inverse square root of 1 plus y square minus y square upon y, because square root of 1 plus y square is common in numerator and denominator. That means tan inverse 1 upon y, because square root of 1 plus y square minus y square, that means 1, tan inverse 1 upon y. So cos inverse y upon square root of 1 plus y square is equal to tan inverse 1 upon y. We can write tan inverse x plus tan inverse 1 upon y is sin inverse 3 upon root 10. But sin inverse 3 upon root 10 is tan inverse 3 upon root 10 divided by square root of 1 minus 3 upon root 10 square, that means 9 by 10, square of 3 by root 10, that means 9 by 10 is equal to tan inverse 3 upon, here 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 by root 10, 3 by root 10 upon 1 by root 10, that means 3. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse 1 upon y is tan inverse 3. That implies tan inverse 1 upon y is tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 3 minus x upon 1 plus 3 into x. So we can compare these two quantity. So 1 upon y is 3 minus x upon 1 plus 3x. That implies y is 1 plus 3x upon 3 minus x. But here x and y are positive integers, and so here denominator is 3 minus x. So we have to take x is equal to 1 or 2. अगर हम x की वैल्यू 1 और 2 नहीं लेते हैं तो यहाँ पर जो y की वैल्यू है वो नेगेटिव हो जाएगी, और यहाँ पर x एंड y दोनों की जो वैल्यू है वो पॉजिटिव है. सो वी कैन टेक x इज इक्वल टू 1 और x इज इक्वल टू 2. नाउ x इज इक्वल टू 1, that implies by equation number 1 y is 1 plus 3 upon 3 minus 1, 4 by 2, that means 2. X is equal to 1, that means y is equal to 2. If we take x is equal to 2, then by equation number 1, y is 1 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2, that means 7. So solutions are x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, or x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 7.
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर आपने अभी मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर लीजिए, फ्री में है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय श्री राम।